Girl, looks like they made your face from dirt. You had me very afraid, very afraid. Man, you look like Grover. Damn all these ugly girls sending me messages on my face. You had me very afraid, very afraid. Get the hell out my face. You at the zoo, always drunk and confused. That's why I never knew that you look like Scooby-Doo. But me and Scooby knew that you look better undercover. Undercover. They say